Hello students, this video will cover section 9.2. Today we are going to be talking about something called a regular pyramid. Okay, so a regular pyramid is a pyramid whose base is a regular polygon. Just a quick refresher of what it means to be a regular polygon. That is a polygon that is equal angular, okay, so all angles are equal in measure, and equilateral. All sides have the same length, okay? So to finish the definition of a regular pyramid, now that we know what a regular polygon is, the lateral faces, okay, so the faces are triangles. The height of each triangle is something called the slant height of the pyramid, okay? So to find the surface area of this pyramid, what we're going to need to do is find the area of the base and add it to the areas of the lateral faces. Okay, this might be easier than some of the lessons in 9.1 because all of these lateral faces are going to be the same, okay? So to start, we are going to find the area of the base, okay? So in this example, this base is a square, so it is technically a regular quadrilateral, okay? So this square has side lengths of 5 times 5, okay? So 5 times 5, the area is 25. Next, we need to find the area of the lateral faces. So if you look at this diagram right here, it shows you all of the pyramid if it were kind of like collapsed and laying flat, okay? So you can see that all of the triangles are the lateral faces and they're all the same, okay? So it tells us that this slant height is 8, so that is the height of the triangle. And again, the base is 5. We know that the formula for a triangle is 1/2 base times height, so 5 times 8 is 40, and 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20, okay? There are 4 lateral faces, okay? So we have to add 20, 20, 20, 20. And finally, if we add 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 25, we will get a surface area of this pyramid of 105 inches squared. Okay, so this first example walked it through with us step by step very nicely. Okay, this next on your own, it says what is the surface area of a square pyramid with a base side length of 9 centimeters and a slant height of 7 centimeters, okay? So I'm a math teacher. I hate words, not actually, okay? But whenever I am given a problem with words, I like to draw out a picture, okay? When they said it was a square pyramid, square, it gives the label of what my base is, okay? So I have a square pyramid with base side length of 9 by 9, okay? And if we were to, we know these are going to be all triangles, it told us that this slant height is 7, okay? So now that I have a picture, this helps me to better visualize what these words were telling me. Okay, I'm going to first find the area of my base, okay? So that square is a 9 by 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Next, I can find the area of this triangular face with a base of 9 and a height of 7. Okay, so 1/2 base times height, 1/2 base of 9 times a height of 7. Okay, 9 times 7 is 63. And when we divide that by 2, you should get 31.5. Okay, there are 4 of them. Okay, so I could either add 31.5 4 times, or I'm just going to go ahead and multiply this by 4. Okay, and then add in the base of 81. Okay, so 31.5 times 4 is 126. So that accounts for all 4 of the bases. And when we add 81, we will get a total surface area of 207 centimeters squared. So this video looked at finding the surface area when we have a square as a base. And again, remember that, a regular pyramid has 4 lateral faces that are triangles. Okay, again, square pyramid meaning that the base is a square.